Hello everyone, Mike Benjamin, Product Specialist over here at Zimco Instrumentation. Today I'd like to chat with you about the Liquiflo H-Series Mag Drive gear pumps. For nearly 40 years, Liquiflo has been a high-end manufacturer of severe service and chemical application pumps. Liquiflo's flagship pump, the H-Series Mag Drive pump, is what you see before me here today. Gear pumps are positive displacement pumps and are frequently used for metering applications as well as chemical transfer. Because of its alloy steel design, it is particularly good for harsh chemicals. Gear pumps are a great alternative to diaphragm pumps because they do not pulse or require air to operate. Liquiflo's magnetic coupling removes the need for dynamic seals, which frequently leak and need to be replaced. Because of this design, it is a simple and secure solution for toxic or other hazardous materials. The H-Series pump is available in a host of different housing materials. Standards are 316 stainless steel, alloy C, or alloy 20. However, many other custom options are available. The idler gear and drive gears are also available in many different materials, and to improve the longevity of the pump will be opposing materials. For example, if your application requires a 316 stainless steel drive gear, the idler gear will be Teflon in order to prevent the gears from galling. Liquiflo gear pump maintenance is extremely simple and can be done in just a few easy steps. Liquiflo repair kits come with everything you need to bring it back to an almost new state. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. We plan on having a lot more content like this going forward, but for now that's all. Everyone, have a great day.